Today I'm going to be putting the RIVA rev box into the Widow Raider. It is a CDI that will allow the engine to rev out quite a bit higher, and I believe it has a little bit of a different timing curve as well. As I'm installing this into the electrical box, let me tell you a little bit about the Widow Raider. It is a 1994 Yamaha WaveRaider. It is the purple bottom hull and is 100 pounds lighter than the other waveraiders from that era. Why we call it the Widow Raider is because it's always had problems turning when we needed it to, and it went off the track more times than any ski we've ever had. In general, this has a very bad handling characteristic. When you're out on the open water by yourself, it's probably okay. In a confined space, it really shows you how bad the handling is. Almost never turning the way you want or expect it to. So it just has a really bad handling characteristic, probably the worst handling ski I've ever ridden. And that's why we call it the Widow Raider. We keep adding huge engines to it to make it go even faster, even though it handles badly. Although we have added a few parts to try to combat the bad handling characteristic, they've only been sort of band-aid fixes, and nothing has really made it a super good handling ski. Just got this thing out on the water. Jacob's hanging out with me today, and we're gonna take it for a rip. And I'm gonna hand the camera over to Jacob, so take it away, Jacob.
Yeah, Josh is walking up in his new color of shorts. Colorful shorts. Oh, here it is, here it is. And we got the purple bottom WaveRaider. They're going head to head today. And I don't know what you guys could possibly think this is gonna be like. We got the black one, the Rat Raider versus the Widow Raider. Do you think the RIVA 1200 Widow Raider is gonna stand a chance against the 701 Rat Raider? I don't know. Let's get a load of this here ski. I don't know. Honestly, I haven't seen this engine in a while, and neither have you guys. And I'm starting to have doubts. Oh, is there a prop stick in this? Oh, thank goodness there is. So it's a RIVA 1200, and Josh says he put the rev box in there, but I'm not impressed. Honestly, I don't feel like this thing is gonna have much for our contestant over here, which looks amazing. First of all, Josh is all suited up in his helmet. He thinks that he's got a lot to worry about as far as speed goes on that one, but dude, I don't think that there's gonna be much that can take down this here black thing. This we got the Rat Think. That's where the Rat Raider name comes from. This thing, I bet you, this is gonna surprise a lot of people. This one's got some bark. He thinks that thing rips. No, I don't know, guys. This 701's got some bark. She barks hard off the bottom. She's barking hard. Dude, look at the Widow Raider's barking hard. Whoa. Looks like he's pretty thrilled about that. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no! Oh, she's barking hard, boys. Barking hard. Yes! I won! I won! What an idiot! JetSki Brothers, stupid idiot, retard, idiot! Ah! Wow! That 701 had some bark! I can tell you he was not scared. Dude, he went so fast that it broke the GPS.
58 miles an hour.
58 miles an hour, that's almost breaking the phone. She got some bark.
My phone's being so stupid.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think if I got it.
Josh says, my engine just blew up. No!
No, it didn't blow up.
Dude, 58's real respectable. That's bark. Is that the fastest two-stroke?
No, SeaRat's faster than that.
Do we know by GPS that it's faster than that?
Not exactly.
We've never phone checked the SeaRat. Whoa. All right, Josh sounds pretty happy with the difference that cutting the wires of the heat sensor made.
I am.
He sounds like he's pretty confident. Yep.
Oh.
So, Mr. Josh, why don't you tell us your thoughts on how amazing the difference is?
It's about the same.
Well,
On the way back, it decided to shut down again.
oh man, that engine's about to blow up, huh?
I don't know, maybe.
All right, comment below if you guys have ever blown up an engine and not been happy about it. Smells like French fries in there or something, but Josh is disappointed, and he's saying, yeah, I guess best luck with the next motor is in here. And if I have a feeling what that's gonna be, I bet you he's gonna put an Oldsmobile 455 in this.
Oh, man. Yeah, okay.
JetSki Brothers, idiots. Idiot, 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 idiot.
Yeah.
Oh. What's this? Oh. Oh, wow. Secret hiding spot. That's really neat. Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is unnecessary.
This is not unnecessary filler.
No.
This is the next day. Oh my goodness. You look at that Danger Widow Raider. No handlebar pad. Check this out, boys. Yeah, see this? I wonder if this is gonna fit. This is off of some piece of junk. I don't know what it's off of, but it's the wrong color. Black. Dude, actually might be for one of these, except for it can't be. But it looks like it fits pretty good. Dude, check that out, guys. Anybody see that? Dude, it's not purple, but honestly, on the Widow Raider, if it helps Josh, his wife, not to become a widow, his son not to become fatherless, dude.
All right, I'm gonna bring some finality to the WaveraidR video here. Now, today, we're gonna run it out again, but I was trying to tune it on the hose, couldn't get it. I just kept going back and forth, so I knew something was wrong. So I said, screw it, pulling the engine out. There it is on the ground. Engine is out. You can see it's empty. Before we removed it, we took compression, and it was kind of low on the front two and 0 on the back. And we've had this before on these 1200s. Usually it's the rear crankshaft seals. And I don't know how well it shows on the camera, but the spring portion is completely detached from the rest of it. Crank seal is shot. We have seen this more than once on these 1200s. With the crank seal replaced on this, it'll return to having compression on the cylinder in the rear, and it usually bumps up the compression on the front too as well. So just to let you guys know if you're running into that problem. But I guess this will be buried in the WidowRaider video, so I don't know how helpful that will be for you guys. Jacob has the final words on it.
It's sad, isn't it? This might be the very last WidowRaider video ever. Unless a few diehards in the comments really make it seem like a lot more people care about the old WidowRaider. But I kind of doubt that that's going to happen, because this video is probably not going to get very many views. She's no V8, but she's still great.